Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block video calls from someone on Facebook Messenger using your PC. If you're getting unwanted video calls and need to block them, it's a simple process. Let's go over the steps to do this quickly with the latest update. Step 1. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before we begin. Step 2. Once you're on your home page, look for the Messenger icon at the top of the page. Click on it to open your list of messages. Step 3. Inside the Messenger window, find and open the chat with the person you want to block video calls from. Step 4. At the top of the chat, you'll see the person's name. Click on their name to open the profile settings related to that chat. Step 5. In the menu that appears, click on Block. You'll be asked to confirm your decision to block the person. Once you confirm, this will block all calls, including video calls, from that person. And that's it. You've successfully blocked video calls from someone on Facebook Messenger. You won't receive any more video calls or messages from that person, giving you peace of mind.